Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to fix some mainboards for ET-8550. We have two mainboards to fix today. I got this customer as I hears my YouTube. You can just fix the board yourself. He said, I do follow your video. However, the more I follow it, the worse it becomes. Let's take a look. Oh, what's wrong with the F1 fuse? I did mention the F1 fuse may be the problem, but I didn't mean just short it. If you short off the fuse, the problem will propagate down the stream, so we'll burn more stuff. Okay, let's fix it. We're going to add some flux. We're going to use a short solder wick. This is because lots of people, they hold a whole row of solder wick with one hand, and the problem is the heat going to propagate towards your hand. So the temperature at the point where you're soldering is not hot enough. For this board, because the customer dropped so much light on it, it's really hard for one piece of solder wick to soak everything in. Also, I don't know what solder he used. It's really tough. It's really high temperature solder. When in doubt, flux the hell of it. Let's add more flux, see if that will do it. More. And see, works like magic. Believe it or not, to clean up the solder, you want to add more solder, so you can have a deep cleaning. So add some more solder paste. Beautiful. You're going to have the solder iron touch one side of the connector, and then you use your tweezer push the fuse towards it. And once one side is soldered on, and then the other side just touch the connection points, and it will be soldered on. And because he shorted the F1 fuse, we have to test if the downstream, all the power rails are intact. It looks he blew the capacitor. You can see the CPU is dead and the capacitor light up. No problem at all. This is the reason that you don't want to short fuse. Anything else got burned? Let's see. And seems everything's okay. Let's see the CPU. Yeah, the CPU start processing data. Good. Alright, I know you have to see that with your eyes. Okay, turn on. Perfect. One done, another one to go. This one, I really don't know the story about it. It's from the same customer. It seems he removed the F1 and the F2 fuses, but did not solder them back. I just have no idea. Okay, you guys give me explanation. Why? We're going to use the kit from BCH Technologies.com, and just go to BCH Technologies and search for ET-8550 fuse, and it will be a pair, F1 fuse to F1 fuse, F2 fuse to F2 fuse. Okay, see, you get it hot on one side, then you push the fuse towards your iron. Now the other side, you get it hot first, then you use your solder, just touch it, and it's gonna suck the solder right in. Boom, that's it. And if you get the customer to please, you want to clean it up afterwards. This one I need to burn a little bit longer because I'm not sure what problem was. So I burn it really hot and I see if the F1 and the F2 fuse is still good. Still beeping. If you guys have more print ads or mainboards or whole printer that you want to get repaired, go to bchtechnologies.com and click Repair. Okay, 2 more printers saved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.